For premium customers, Listenwise now offers Clever Instant Login or Single Sign-On, which allows teachers and students to access Listenwise from your Clever portal without usernames or passwords. If you already have Listenwise Premium, simply ask your Clever administrator to add Listenwise to your Clever portal. Once the resource is added, Listenwise can be included on your teacher page, so when you click on the app, you're automatically logged into Listenwise. Any user, free or premium, can use the Clever buttons on our website. If you're a new teacher, you can sign up for a Listenwise account with Clever. If you already have a Listenwise account, you can click Login with Clever. Listenwise currently does not offer rostering through Clever. You can either roster through Google Classroom or manually create classes to generate class codes to share with your students. Here's a look at the student experience. If Listenwise was added to your Clever portal, you can add Listenwise to your Clever teacher page for easy student access. If it's not on your portal, remember that students can still use the Sign Up with Clever button when creating accounts. Just make sure to have the class code handy to share with students when they're signing up.